Gosh. Oh, hey, here we're on. Bob, I found that changing your sleep habits by 1 hour can dramatically change your life. This is researched.
Really important.
Yep, researched, and everyone's going to want to know about this. It's really interesting statistical information, and it's accurate.
I can't wait.
And Bob can't wait. So if that's a fact, we know it's good. Be careful, and we'll be right back. All right, Bob, the first thing, and this is very interesting. This really got my attention on this. When daylight saving comes around in the fall and you fall back, okay?
Right.
So that means you gain an hour of sleep.
Fun.
There was a statistical study that day in the United States. There were 21% less heart attacks that next day.
That's amazing.
On the other hand, in the spring, when you lose an hour of sleep,
Hate it.
the next day there were 24% more heart attacks that went to the ER.
Oh my God.
So it doesn't prove anything, but it really gets you thinking. Maybe that loss or gain of X hours sleep is critical. Now we're going to go to number 2. This is for both males and females. If you're trying to have a baby, your reproductive system is noticeably affected if you don't get enough sleep. So if you're trying to make a baby, get that family going, make sure you get adequate sleep, at least 8 hours a day if you're an adult. So we'll move on to number 3. If you're trying to lose some weight, you really need to get your adequate sleep. If you're an adult, again, that 8 hours, don't cut yourself short, particularly if you do it consistently. Make that a goal when you're getting your weight loss.
I read you burn more fat.
While you sleep. Yep, it's that fasting time. And I don't know all the technical part of
it works.
But it definitely shows
true.
that, it's true. So get your sleep. It's a good deal. Unless you're a hyper person, like we know some people. Then you really have to work at it. But you can do it. Now to go number 4. You're good at this one. You probably got plenty of sleep. I don't think I did when I was in high school.
I did. Absolutely.
Your intellect, your IQ, how you think, your cognition is much better when you get adequate sleep. There was a study done with high school kids and their ACT tests.
They need even more than we do.
They need 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And they did a study of a group who did not get adequate sleep and ones that did. And there was a significant increase in the ACT scores.
Not surprised.
Right. And, we know when we get up in the morning, I can think so much more clearer than at 8 o'clock at night.
Really?
Oh, God. I can't even... 6 o'clock at night, I'm burnt out.
My brain is gone.
All right, number 5 and the last one. And the last one is pain. Particularly if you have chronic pain, if you do not get enough sleep, your body will increase that pain level. It's a chronic situation. It can build a snowballing effect.
Yeah, more pain, you don't sleep.
Right, and if you don't get sleep, then you get more pain. So actually, we will have a video coming up within the next week or so that shows you 7 tips that will help you sleep more. And this is updated from our other ones, which we have similar.
I can't wait.
Yeah, I know, Bob. I know you're excited, and
let's go.
So is everyone out there, little tickler. So pain levels for sure. Get adequate sleep. Very good. Sleep well, learn well, do everything better with your sleep.